Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're decoding a surprisingly dense six-word phrase to uncover how markets actually work.
Okay, let's dive into this exact source text. Market momentum, global trading projections, stock market futures.
But what do those words actually mean? We're going to break apart these complex terms piece by piece.
First up, stock market futures. Think of these as simple agreements made today for a transaction happening tomorrow.
And this brilliantly illustrates the difference. Current trading is today's reality, while futures lock in tomorrow's expectations.
Now, market momentum. That's the raw energy or directional trend driven entirely by all this active trading. See the cause and effect here? Buying and selling futures signals confidence, directly building that market momentum. So the crucial point is, global trading projections are those macro-level forecasts built right out of that momentum. Let's move to and see how this builds a definitive chain reaction, straight from our source text. The micro-focus mechanism of trading futures directly creates the macro worldwide outcome of global projections. Ultimately, these few words describe the whole shebang, the completely interconnected heartbeat of our global financial system.
Which leaves us with a fascinating cyclical mystery. If futures project the momentum, who is projecting the futures?